You guys got another one, huh?
Yep.
This
Silverado.
this is a nice truck, just the way it looks. That's an awesome truck right there.
It is. Well, we're gonna do this one. We're gonna Raptor it all black all the way around. And look, guys, over here, perfect example. How we say that you're supposed to take off the clear coat, and it doesn't stick. Doesn't stick at all. You can still see the clear coat there. We have a lot of spots around where it's just peeling off. Just peeling off. We have it here and over here. The whole thing. So we're just gonna fix it up for them, make it look better. All right, guys. So stay tuned for this one.
All right, here we go. All right, so what's the first step, guys?
All right, guys. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this grill right here. The customer told us to take it off since he's gonna buy a new one, and also we can also take it off so we can spray the black Raptor under here. And over here we're gonna take off these moldings. Also take off this fender flare. As you can see over there in the front, does not have it. But over here, customer told us to take it off since he's gonna buy new ones for it. And then just gonna take off the bumper so we can get under here.
I think the bumpers, the customer said he was gonna buy a new bumper. Yeah, it's pretty messed up. Yeah, he said he was gonna buy a new bumper anyways.
All right, so we'll take it off anyways if he's gonna buy a new one. Over here, same thing. We'll take off this fender flare. Doesn't have it in the front. Moldings, and then after that, just pretty much get to sanding. All right, guys.
No, oh, that was quick. You guys just broke the world record for taking off a grill. It was just like that?
Yeah, just like that, just came off right up.
Yeah, probably the clips were broken and everything already. What's up? What do you got?
Nothing much. Just sanding down the vehicle. I already finished that side, but right here, as you can tell, when we took off the fenders, just pretty much rusted off. So we gotta let the customer know, and that's pretty much it.
All right, not bad. Hey, to all the viewers, I know that you guys were really concerned about them wearing masks when they're doing the sanding, and we really appreciate you all's input. And basically, we let you know in the last video that we're gonna be wearing masks. So, good job.
I'm wearing this mask since I started sanding. All right, guys, we're already done with the prep work of the vehicle. And as you can tell right here, I put etching primer. All this where there was just bare metal. So what we're gonna do now is we're ready to spray the Raptor. I'm gonna work myself from this fender all the way around and back. All right, guys, let's get started. that was the first pass. Now we're just gonna let it sit there for about an hour, and we're gonna come back and do the second coat. All right. All right, guys. We were finished with the first coat, but as we were looking around, we saw that there was this little dent right here that we had missed, and so we decided to put body filler on it. And what we did is we sanded down this area and put the body filler around. So right now we're just gonna wait until it dries, sand it, and then spray it again. All right, guys. Alright guys, so we already fixed this area. We already sanded it down and cleaned it with paint thinner. So what I'm going to do now is just start right here, do this whole door, and go all the way around and back. Alright guys. Alright guys, well, that's the last coat, and we're just gonna let it sit there, and we're gonna come back, take off the paper and the tape. Alright guys, we let it sit there for about an hour, and as you can tell, it just looks really nice and even. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna start taking off the tape and the paper. Alright guys?
All right, so it looks like you guys finished this one.
All right guys, so this Silverado here, we didn't really get to do as much as we wanted to, because the customer said that he's gonna do the grill, the bumper, the grill, and the lights. Wish we could be there to, you know, make it look a lot better, which was the lights with the grill and everything. But all he wanted us to do was just the paint, just Raptor all the way around. And as you can see, it came out really, really smooth, really nice. So just take a look at it. Oh, and the flares, The fender flares, he told us that he just to leave them like that he was gonna buy himself some new fender flares, and that he was gonna put them over here. And over here, the rust that was here, we straightened it out and we made it look much better.
All right. You know, all in all, we understand that you guys just have to do the exterior, but you know, you guys did a great job, guys. And that matte finish that you guys put on this truck, it's gonna look awesome. Another thing that we're gonna recommend to the customer is that tint is pretty burned up, so if he goes and retints those windows, it's gonna be a complete turnaround in this truck. You know, he already has the rims and the tires ready for it, so you know, we wish him well, and you guys do an outstanding job.
Also, this one, like we said, the bumper, he said he was gonna get a new one or replace it, but we wish we can do much more with this vehicle. But here we go. Alright guys, it looks really nice. It's really smooth and even. Alright guys, well, like we say, thank you for the support and everything. Just like and subscribe. And you got any need any information, you guys need to speak to us, our email's down below. Just email us, and if you need any vehicles, just send them our way. We got you.